Oh guys, KDM Philippines Service Now Practice Team Building 2026. Ulit. Service KDM PH Service Now Practice Team Building 2026. KDM PH Service Now Practice Team Building 2026. Say hi. 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 Hello. Hi guys. Tingin sa'yo yung white dito sa labas. Ayan yun pala si Nika. Nakita mo yun yung white? Yung white doon na wait lang. May e-bike dito eh no? Hello guys. Say hi.
I just want to remind each and every one of you, why are we here? Why are we the service now practice of KDN or KPMG? Ano ba talaga yung goal natin? To build the capability, service now practice. But within that, we're not supposed to be the next or the third data center ng KDN or ServiceNow. So we need to remind ourselves, refresh ourselves, ano ba yung differentiator natin, not only within KDN but also sa other delivery center out there. Ano yung competitive advantage natin? Huwag nating hayaan na makalimutan natin. We're not just people providing resources sa any implementation, but we're supposed to have assets, accelerators. Okay? Huwag nating isipin na, naku, nasa bench ako na, baka mamaya mawalan ako ng maalis ako rito habang wala ako sa bench. But you should be thinking of what I can innovate as part of this team. Okay? That's more of having that mindset of capitalist mindset na ano ba yung pwede ko i-add as value dito. Oo, hindi ka man nalalagay sa project, but you continue to innovate, you continue to build, you continue to invent. Yeah? Huwag natin kakalimutan yun. Kasi kung katulad lang tayo ng other delivery centers, then we're no different, wala tayong value. Mas hindi tayo maging pipiliin in any other circumstances. Whether it's sa KPMG, or whether sa ibang big four firms, or whether sa ibang service na practice. Each individual, hanapin ninyo ano yung differentiator ninyo. And as a whole, hanapin natin ano yung differentiator natin as a service na practice. Amen? Yun na ako. Tama na seryoso, balik sa kwento. Which naalala ko pala. Lagi kasi tayo nakafocus ngayon. Napansin ko lang, no? Lagi tayo nakafocus ngayon. Ano yung training, ano yung certification ko. Okay, ano yung kailangan ko ma-achieve na training, ano yung kailangan ko ma-achieve. Paano pinapatayan mo ko? Hindi ako! Let's change our mindset, our goal. Ano yung pwede kong ma-innovate? Okay? Ano yung pwede kong ma-innovate? Ano yung magiging difference? Pero it's not an excuse ha, hindi na kayo mag-certify at mag-train ha. Okay? Huwag lang tayong tumulad sa iba. Okay? Let's be abnormal if we live. Okay? Yun lang. Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for being the firm. No? The growth of ServiceNow is very inspiring. All of the teams that are up and coming for KDN. As you know, you are the third biggest practice in KDN Philippines. And I keep working with Ram and Kulika to ensure that the growth will continue, that you'll be able to recruit people that you're very comfortable with working. So now that we have built the muscles, everyone here is part of that muscle. We have to look into project delivery and ensure that we really give our best, continue, exhibiting excellence to our project delivery work and to our initiatives as well. That's so serious, but yeah. So it's 4 p.m. no? Pero wala pang inuman.
Meron!
So disappointed.
Hindi pwedeng wala.
But yeah, looking forward to the happenings tonight, right? Just be safe. We don't want any accidents. We just want to have fun, get everyone acquainted here. I invited some of my team members here, Gail, Miss Anne, Aya, our SMT manager, Emma, and our new FYC, JYC. Okay, let me share something if you'd allow me, right? Your theme is about impact, right? It's about, for me, impact personally would come in 3 tranches. One is impact to your work, second is impact to your family, and then 3 is impact to yourself. So now, impact to work, right? I've read this book called Grit, if you know it. So there's one line there, but that I think was captured from another book as well, that for you to be able to measure an impact, at the end of the day, you calculate your salary per day and see if what you did during that day equates to the salary that you're given for that day, right? Or more. So sometimes I feel like I'm not doing enough. Sometimes I feel like I'm doing much, right? Because not only it increases my value and my confidence, it helps me plan, right? My entire week as well. And I could, probably say that I made a big impact to the organization during that day. Now, the second one is impact to yourself. Big 4 could be very toxic sometimes, right? Especially those veterans in here. But at the end of the day, you have to look after yourself, your health, most especially, your friends, your family also. And what are you trying to achieve as you go through your journey here in KPMG? Obviously, you join KPMG because you want to achieve something, and motivation comes in different forms, right? Yes, some would, admittedly, money, right? It's a big factor, right? Some would be a complete experience. Some would be, just wants to leave PwC. So different motivations, different people, right? But at the end of the day, you have to remember why you started here, right? And move towards that goal of becoming the person that you want to be as you join the firm. And then lastly is impacting with your family and even in your community. So as you go along with your journey here, are you contributing to your family, not just financially, by the way, but also the wisdom, inspiring them to do better? Maybe you have younger siblings, because most people here are very young, right? Yeah.
Yes! Yes!
But yeah, so impact is a very good word to always remember as you work every day, okay? But today, forget about work.
Yes!
Just enjoy. We're gonna do a lot of things later. We're gonna drink a lot, right?
Rest!
We can see, parang makikita.
More than enough!
Yeah, yun lang. Again, thanks for inviting us and welcome to your event.
I have my friends, he has his friends, and I can count on them. My times of me.
Mapapa-aim ba yun?
And this employee onboarding contains all our embarking documents, kung ano ba yung day-to-day na kailangan nilang gawin. Rusty Luisanga and Ian Maligden, please to meet you. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, thank you, Group 1.
Thank you. Wow!
Sorry na kayo sa may bundle ba? Thank you to our idea.
So, ito ang mga nakuha namin from Team 1. So, sabi nila yun, this person's ability to unite the team has strengthened our collaboration and helped us achieve our goals more effectively. Sa team yung sino yung kulay?
Speaker with antibiotic. Magaling ka sa
Picture! Eh!
Smart tag yan. Humihingi ng bill sa restaurant. 1, 2, 3, pose. Hold. Teka. Vogue model. 1, 2, 3, pose.
Ang galing ni Liam!
Alright? Ay, sayang! Okay. Wala, sorry. Volleyball. 1, 2, 3, pose.
Spiker!
One more. Manny Pacquiao. 1, 2, 3, pose. Manny Pacquiao. Teka, sorry. Ito yung interesting. Nagkagab.
Hindi ka mamayag?
Ano po ito si Manny Saksak? Ang word ay ang ating batang ninja, si Naruto. 1, 2, Naruto. 1, 2, 3, pose.
Batibot! Batibot alam yan! Batibot!
Ito si Naruto. Ang word ay broken-hearted. 1, 2, 3, pause. Huwag nang damdamin.
Huwag ka maingat! Bastos ka! Naka-record pa lang. Baliw to si... Saksakin kaya kita. Ano daw yun? Matrix.
Red pill or ano pala? Teka lang, may napansin ako. Gusto ko nakitag si Ma'am Pin eh. Nakitag si Ma'am Pin eh. Nakitag si Ma'am Pin eh. So, 1 point lang yun. So, meron sila 2 points. Pause! Pabebe! Sorry. 1 point only. Master of baby. 1, 2, 3, baby. Okay, ang first word ay Darna. 1, 2, 3, pause! Okay! Ang magic words ay pumapara ng jeep. 1, 2, 3, pause! Okay. Isang big bang muna. 1, 2, 3, big bang. Baka may lumalakit si Ben ng mamaya. Lalabas ang kaartehan. Nakaapak ng tae. 1, 2, 3, pause! Karate Kid. 1, 2, 3, pose!
Nag-check namin, dito sa lahat ang baby benefits na namin.
Teka, doon ako.
Yan na. So this time, si Pinang Puno.
Huwag mo naman alisin yung pose, ah.
Oo. Tapos parang yun ang tama. So, kunyari, dalawa lang yung tumama. Yung isa lang.
Hindi ko kukontrolin yan, ha?
Judger. Hold yung pose, ah. Pagka 1, 2, 3 pose, judger. May, tsaka ano? May hold na may kumakausap na pose.
Pagka ito, 1, 2, 3 pose at saka lang magpo-pose ha. Kapag nag-pose bago yung word na pose, technical kagad. Para lang ano. Oh, may kita tayo, DTI representative to. Oh, first word.
Grabe, tahimik talaga.
Ang first words ay nagse-cellphone. 1, 2, 3, pose. Oh, stop muna. Stop.
Dalawang kamay. Ito, 2
Okay.
points.
Ito guys,
Ito,
5 points. Ito, oh, yung mga natalo, pag bibigyan ba natin kung pipindot?
Bawal, bawal, bawal.
Ano yung mga
Ganun ba na?
ito?
Ganun na eh.
Iba, age gap. Ay, hindi. Ano yun?
Iba. Ano sabi ko?
Pipindot. Kasi lahat isa
Wala ba sila? Wala ba sila?
So ito, 1 point.
Ito kasi may dalawang kamay.
Best of 3.
Sabi kasi cellphone, Tinokia. Blackberry daw yun.
Ito, parang masaya, first to 3 points. First to 3.
So best of 5.
Oh, best of 5 pala. Sorry, sorry.
Best of 5.
Ang word. Ay, ito na naman. Lalabas na naman yung ito.
Bastos kayo ah. Best of 10.
Ang word ay selfie. 1, 2, 3, pose.
Ay, pare-parehas.
Ano ba yan? Wala mo yan.
Hindi! Nakabibig.
Relaxan yung kamay.
Okay. So, 1, 1. Sabi ni Kirsty, huwag kang gagalaw po. Bubutasan kita. Ang saya natin. Tapos ang beauty niyang binababa. Ay, talo. Okay, mama. Ah, ito. Patang dali.
Hirapan mo.
1. Ready na. Ang word ay zombie. 1, 2, 3, pose.
Ay,
Madali.
kailan parang may nanginginig eh. Hindi ba nanginginig eh?
Kaya maginaw. Selfie ulit, perfect.
Ang word ay swimming. 1, 2, 3, pose. Teka? Okay. Dito nagkatalo, guys. Sorry.
Ano ka, miss kayo?
Nalulunod na.
Point nila, Boss Ram. Next. So ano to ah? Tuhan.
Bawin kami, bawin kami.
Ito. Walang walang gagalaw. Medyo strict tayo dito. Ang word ay nagpapabango. 1, 2, 3, pose. Pareho ba?
Si Girls yun.
Paano pag ibang daliri pa? Ay! Ano na?
Parang normal na lang.
Mananang sa University.
Wala. Ay, John.
Ano yung parang 1 point?
Hindi, wala. Ay.
Amaya ka
Okay pa, ha? 1.
Teka lang.
Bird. 1, 2, 3, pose.
Oh, nakati pa. Oh, nakati pa.
Ay, oo.
Ay, may iba na.
Waterboard. Ano na yan?
Ang panalo.
Uy, may hangin.
Yun na. Huwag kang gilawin. Walang gagawin na surroundings.
Patayin ba? Patayin ba?
Relax na ba kayong dalawa?
Dito nalaglag.
Meron pa tayong props, ha?
Remote.
Ay! Uy, kagaya naman yun. Hindi na notice lang.
Yan ang Jim Bruce. Hanggang sa pag-ibet, agad. Mas maganda siguro kung magkaharap si Norman at si Adrian. Ako na talaga naman. Yung hangin talaga malakas.
20 seconds.
Ano na namin nalaglag yun?
Electric car pa.
Baka nakahiga ako. Ako nakahiga.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Okay.
4,
Hinga ka na.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, stop. Mga engineer. 2. Grabe naman itong team na to.
Nadaya ni Norman. Ang daming kanto ng katawan. Walang gayahan, ha?
Yes.
1 minute and 4
Yes, nalalaglag.
10 seconds na lang, Grace.
Mukha pa lang,
May huminga.
mukha pa lang Spider-Man, no?
Saranda, pwede po.
1 minute pa, guys. Teka.
Dali na.
Last 1
Wala lang.
minute.
Hindi, kaya
Ang pangit mo ang shirt mo. Basta tayo
Baka nanginginig yung tower dun sa kabila. May mga doon.
Huminga! Huwag ka daw huminga!
Last 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
Sarado, tawa ka muna isa.
Delikado yun, ah.
Yari kayo pag sa'yo siya.
Ay!
Si Engineer Renzo. Yun ba?
11, 10,
Oh, ito na! 7,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop, mga
Stop.
engineer.
Action!
Oh, mga engineer, stop. Okay.
Oh, selfie daw!
Wala, safety mo pala.
Medyo close kayo ni Kirst.
Hoy, huwag kayo mag-kiss.
Mainit-init na.
Bakit yung nag-kiss? Bakit nag-kiss na nun?
Mahirapan na si Paul.
Gano'n ka close?
Bawal na kahiga, ha? First of all, palapakan natin ang Panginoon. bigyan na tayo na matuloy yung team building. And pangalawa, let's appreciate yung nag-organize na itong team building na ito. Talagang hands-off, na wala akong ginawa at nanalo pa. So, pag kayo naman yung mga organizers, appreciate natin nila. Sino yung mga nag-organize? Yeah? Ilan kayo?
Dami kami. Ay, tumayo kayo.
Kayo!
Dami na kasama sa Sir Andrew. Balik na po